Hi there. Earlier this year I made a video about the Colindale upgrade works that happened back in January. But the other day I seen that the renovation works are now complete. So let's make our way to Colindale station to check out the new upgrades.
All stations to High Barnet via train cross, stay clear the doors, trains now ready to depart.
When getting off the train, the first thing you notice is the new station roof. Here's a mugshot of the old station entrance versus the new one. Nice new station entrance. We have ticket machines and a nice view to see the trains arriving. Let's take the brand new lift down to platform level.
Lift going down. Doors closing. Platform. Doors opening. Lift going up.
You have new departure boards at each end of the platform. And that is the Colindale upgrade works done. A new lift added to Colindale station. I'm going to take the next train home. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.